Hi guys, for today's video mag-review naman ako ng isang action camera na nabili natin sa Shopee.
Wow!
So isa pala tong Ausec S60. Start na natin i-unbox to. Yan may mga kasama siyang marami rin siyang mga kasama Yan yung mga pang mount, yung mga extension. Siyempre may manual para alam natin kung paano natin kakabit sa mga ating helmet or ating motorcycle o kahit saan pa man. Ayan guys, meron din siyang remote, so kung gusto nyo mag selfie, meron din siya pang video and photos. So ayan yung mga pang mount natin sa helmet. Yan, may cover din siya, extra strap, tsaka yung charging cable natin type C. Tapos ayan, may mga strap pa siya na cable tie, top with. Yan, may metal, di ko alam kung para saan yan malalaman din natin yan. Tsaka ayan yung pang mount sa bike or motorcycle. Ayan guys, tsaka ayan, may extra ulit na extension. So ito na yung camera natin guys, isang Ausec S60. Di ko alam kung fake to, pero matry na lang mamaya. Ayan, makita natin sa manual kung paano paggamit nito. Actually na-open na natin to nalagyan ko na rin ng external mic na testing na natin, tsaka yung internal yung memory niya, SD card niya. So nakapag-record na rin ako ng iba. Maganda naman siya, ganun. Ang sabi kasi nila sa may lens na yan, pag black na black, yun daw yung fake. Pero makita natin yan kung totoo talaga yung sinasabi nila. Sana naman hindi fake, kasi nabili ko lang talaga siya ng murang halaga compared dun sa napakataas talaga. Pero tingin ko mukhang lalaban naman itong camera nito Yan, okay. Pero ayan, nakaset na tayo sa 1080 60 1080p 60 yan. So ayan, pag open na pa lang yan, makikita niyo yung logo ng Ausec. So kita niyo man guys, ang ganda linaw. Naset ko na siya, naka wide angle na siya. Tapos nilagay ko muna sa built-in yung mic niya para matesting natin. Pero habang nagre-record ako, yung testing ko, hindi ko siya nailagay sa built-in. So naka external mic siya, kaya wala siyang sounds guys. Pero testing din natin yan after ng mga ibang videos natin i-upload. Marami pa tayong gagawin dito. So yun guys, abangan nyo na lang yung ating pag-test ng camera na to. So una siguro yung yung night. Simulan natin yung sa night, kasi mas maganda kung makita natin agad yung pag madilim Syempre minsan umuwi tayo ng gabi, night ride tayo, kaya gusto ko rin may camera. So ayan, sige, subukan na natin. Ayan guys, testing natin kung maganda. Ayan guys, kita niya naman ang liwanag niya di ba? Sobrang liwanag niya rin. Talagang pumapalag dito sa mga pumapalag din siya sa mga branded na action cam. So siguro tingin ko sulit to sa mga nagpa-motovlog. Hindi lang naman siya pang motovlog, so ayan, pwede rin natin gamitin sa pang araw-araw, lalo na pagka mga hindi na sa inaasahang pangyayari. Ayun, ayos yun. Meron tayong pang sa ating sarili, meron tayong panlaban sa hindi natin inaasahan, or may makita tayong krimen talaga. So ayan guys, ayan, marirecommend ko tong action cam na to sa mga newbie like me. Yan, mura ko lang siya guys nabili, mga nasa 3,000 ang SRP niya, 3,500. Nag-less siya ng 200, so nasa 3,300. And may voucher ako, so naging 2,900 na lang siya guys. Sobrang mura ko siya nabili. Sana hindi ako magsisi dito sa cam na to. Pero tingin ko sulit naman siya Tsaka maganda at maayos talaga siya. So ayan guys, natapos na natin yung pang night. So testing naman natin yung pang umaga. At ito pa na gusto ko to guys, pagka gusto mo mag-record ng nakikita mo yung sarili mo, so lipat lang natin sa front screen yon. So ayan, pwede ka nang mag-record habang may ginagawa ka. Ayan. So kasi ako mas gusto ko yung nakikita ko yung sarili ko habang gumagawa, para kita ko yung kung maganda pa yung angle. Ayan. So ito, testing naman natin yung isang video na i-upload natin. So tara, let's go. Testing natin kung matagtag ba siya. Pero to guys, hindi ko na-set yung stabilizer niya pero parang medyo okay na siya kahit hindi naka-stabilizer. Medyo hindi naman nakakahilo. Ganda siya guys, talagang natuwa ako. Sobrang ganda niya, para na ako naka GoPro. Nice.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Thanks for watching.